Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Katie and today I have a very satisfying video of frogging in reverse. In today's video I am frogging 20 hours of knitting. Sometimes after all the gauge, pattern and measurement, we realize that all our 20 hours work didn't turn out as we planned. So I decided to frog everything. Please tell me if you like to frog everything, or if you just frog when you make a mistake, or when you decide that your project didn't turn out as you would love to. What do you do? Please leave in the comments the answer. Tell me, what do you do when the project you're working on doesn't turn out as you plan? So subscribe for more videos about knitting and crocheting, and leave a comment. Have a nice day.